Alright, so here we have my electra dishwasher, which hasn't drained, and we've had a couple of times this has happened, so it's not a one-off occasion. We tried pressing the power button and holding it so it would, in case it would go to the 1 minute and automatically resume draining. That hasn't happened. So to save time, we have already drained it. We have already drained the water out manually by using syringes, and or if you have a wet vacuum cleaner, you can use one of them. So we're going to take out the baskets, which just clip out, and we're going to go ahead with looking for a reason why. Of course, if you go through these steps, you may want to try and go on to getting a professional in, but these are steps you should look for first of all. When I drained out some of the water, I noticed there were some chunks around here. So one of the things I do is I'll spin this and pull it out, and this will just clip out of this, and I will wash this, usually with a toothbrush and maybe some dishwasher soap. I apologise for the background noise. I will also pull this out and I'll wash this out, get all the, again with a toothbrush, get all the chunks out. Now we will look inside here, try and find any bits we have around, and don't forget to hit the lovely like button and sexy subscribe button, and don't forget the bell notification. You'll be notified when a new video gets uploaded, and the free links in the description below. You can pick up a free share worth up to £200, and check out our Discord. And if you want a more in-depth analysis of any stock or market conditions, then why not look at our upgraded membership program and support us. Put some bicarbonate soda, baking soda down here, and then we put some white vinegar to react and just to clear out any debris that we can't see. We leave it for 15 minutes. And after those 15 minutes, we'll boil the kettle and put some hot water in there, and that way we don't have to buy any of these expensive chemicals that they sell us to try and clear the pipes, and it will do the same job. And it's a more natural way. But, and to tell the truth, it's all they put in it basically anyway. It should clear it out. If not, we will have to check the waste pipe, see if that's clogged up or bent, or if your waste pipe is going into your sink outlet pipe. You check that by running some tap water down, and if it gets too complicated, we may have to call in a professional. But if you feel a bit brave, you can take this part out and look behind here just to see the pump, just to check how many teeth it has. If some of the teeth are broken off, then you may have to pull this away, which are only put there by clips, and connect a new waste pump. They're not complicated to fit. You'll find lots of videos on YouTube, but it's something that a professional will charge you a lot of money to do. It's more about something you're not aware of before doing it. Let me know if you have any questions. If you found any of my videos helpful and you want to help me make more, you can support me by buying me a coffee. The link is in the description below.